Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm sharing another new special airdrop with you, and the name of this project is Pi Squared. If we talk about what they are basically building here, they are creating a foundation for Web3 which will be fast, decentralized and verifiable. Mainly if we check, their main attraction is their transaction speed. Here we can see that they have already achieved 100k transactions per second on their protocol. You can also find lots of information about their project on their website. So as you can see, they have already raised 12.5 million in funding and their status is a potential airdrop. If you look at their investors, you will see Polychain Capital as their lead investor along with some tier 2, 3 and 4 investors backing them. If you visit their X profile, you will notice they only have 9.7k followers, which means you're joining so early. And if you scroll down here, you will find they are active, which is another positive sign. Before joining, if you want the latest updates related to crypto and airdrops, then you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out. Now to join the airdrop, I'll provide a Telegram link in the description where you'll find the link. You basically need to come to this page. The first and most important task you need to do. At the top, you will see a settings icon. Click on it and first of all, copy your private key because this wallet can refresh anytime and your private key might disappear. So copy this private key and save it with you. If the page refreshes and your private key is lost, you simply need to click on import private key. Then enter your private key, confirm, and your old wallet will return. That's why it's very important to copy and save your private key safely. Now you need testnet tokens. In the assets section, tap the plus icon. Here you'll get tokens like Solana, Bitcoin, USDT, Ethereum, all test tokens for practice, not real value. Add them to your wallet and now you have to do transactions. Now here you need to paste another address to send testnet tokens. So paste any other address, then here enter your amount. For example, I'll put 1 and then click on send and it's done. Similarly, click on assets and this time let's select Sol and then send, then select BTC and then send, then select USDC. Let's put 10 and send. Next select it and then send. In this way you need to keep doing transactions. You must complete at least 100 to 200 transactions. The more transactions you do, the higher your chances for the airdrop. To see your transactions, you need to visit this page. I'll provide the link in the description. Here on this site you will see the transaction per second speed in the last hour, last 24 hours and last week. So to see your total transaction history, copy your wallet address from here, then paste the address here and click on this search icon. Here as you can see my total transaction history. So keep in mind you need to complete at least 100 transactions to get high chances to qualify for the airdrop. And that's all for this video. I'll give you all the updates for this airdrop, so make sure to join our Telegram channel. If you found this video helpful, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one. Goodbye.